Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to rub salt in anyone's wounds or anything like that, but pretty rough day here for the price. So what I want to do is just map out some areas of support and then a couple areas of resistance where if the price does start to bounce, some of these battlegrounds that the bulls are going to have to fight through. So let's first start by talking about areas of resistance, and then we'll transition to support. Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce, going to call right here at, call it $9. This was a former area of support right there, and then when supports are broken, which it was right there, a foundational rule in charting is that they tend to act as resistance, and then that's exactly what happened right there. So a perfect example of a former support being broken and then converting into resistance right there. Not saying that, $9 can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price did get rejected from there, and why that is going to be the first key hurdle with any sort of bounce. And to be honest, I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance because at this point in time, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority at all. The top priority for the price at this point in time, at least in my opinion, is stabilizing and forming some sort of low. So with that being said, we got to scrunch up the chart here and go back to the chart's history here, as it's been a while since the price has been down this low. But the initial area of support, and I'm not sure if that's where the price bounced from today. Let's find out here. Not quite, went a little bit below it, is right here at $1. Dollar is important. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that there is quite a bit of consolidation that happened right there. You look back here, consolidation that happened right there at $1. And like I said, wasn't exactly to a T, but I think we can all agree, got well within the range of that. So $1 going forward, definitely that very important level of support. I'll just leave it at that because for the time being, the price did actually get a little bit of a bounce from there. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon it. But actually, I should probably map out one more area of support just in case. After $1, next key level of support down there at that point, which it's at about 94 cents. And this is coming from, the lows from back here. And when was that? Late December. So yeah, it's been a while since the price has been down here. So we'll see what happens with it, but a whole lot of volume in it today. We'll see if the bulls can recover and start to put together some sort of bounce. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.